Hey everybody, it's Kareem from BigBellaDonna.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day. No, I didn't get a brand new background. I'm actually introducing something new to my channel. So my husband and I have been doing home renovations since last May. And the first thing we did, one of the first things we did, a major renovation, was to finish our basement. So we finished our basement, but in doing so, we realized now the bottom looks completely new. The top needed to have a facelift. So we started to really do some renovations in our home. The walls are bare because we have yet to put up all of the artwork we want to put up, and we are going to change the whole color scheme. And what I'm standing in front of is our new window treatment. Now this is one of two windows in our front room. This is the smaller of the two. And I'm standing in front of it because you can see the new window treatment. Now this is a Roman blind, top down, bottom up Roman shade, not a blind, shade. Unfortunately, it doesn't show in pictures or really on the video, but at least you can get an idea that the fact that this is a light color shade. Now everything has to be lightened up. So I am going to embark on home decor shopping, and let me tell you, it's going to be a lot because we basically have to change the face of everything in our front area. And because we're gonna do that, we want our home to have a nice swanky kind of feel. Do people still say swanky? All right, well, modern, chic, all these words that mean like when you walk in home, like, oh, this is nice, I like that. Yeah, that's what we want. We want people to come in, be able to enjoy their surroundings. And of course, we want to be able to enjoy it when nobody's here and we're just living here. So I have started shopping. I don't just go out and just start picking up things. I like to do surveillance, if you will. So the first store I went to when I was out on my most recent surveillance was Burlington, formerly Burlington Coat Factory. Now they always have sold, you know, clothes and coats and things like that, but they really have, as they have evolved and begin to evolve into just trying to be, again, a department store, full-on department store. They're selling plenty of home decor stuff. And everybody has their price points, okay? I'm in the affordable. It needs to be affordable. These lamps were definitely affordable, and they gave me an idea of what we're going to be looking for when we go to the other stores. Some were cute and some were not quite our taste, but at least it gave me a flavor of what I'll be looking for, as lamps and lighting will play a key part in our new overall decor. Burlington has a lot of price points, and they have stuff you can find in almost any other home goods store, almost any other home goods store. So I think that Burlington is a fair competition for the home goods stores out there. The next store I visited was Home Goods. If you've ever been in a Home Goods, you know this store is packed to the gills with all type of stuff. I mean, they have stuff pretty much everywhere. I only have one in my area, so that's the one I went to, and it was pretty typical. I did this time I focused on the color scheme that I think we're going for, which will be silvers and grays, ivories and whites, maybe a little gold, because that will pick up the color in our wall. So I just basically took a look at everything in the store, again, getting an idea for what's out there now. This store can be a little overwhelming, as you probably know, because again, it has so much to look at and so many things to feast your eyes on. Everything has kind of uniqueness to it, and I like that. You know, you may not see some of this stuff in everyone's home. So it was, again, just fun to look at and get my juices going, my decorating juices going on what's gonna go in our home. The next store I went into is a fairly new store for our area. I know they are down south a lot, but this is Kirklands. So I'm trying to figure out how I feel about Kirklands, because the first time I went in was probably more than 6 months ago. It wasn't like any particular holiday or anything like that. And I'll be honest, when I went in first, I was like, I don't know if this is my store. But because it's in the same area as those other two stores I went to, I had to try it out again. And also I thought, you know, now I'm really looking for stuff. So, you know, the first time I was just like not in the mood, but my mindset has changed. Now I just look at Kirkland's as a store for people who have like a rustic type of look. I think it's like a country home or country living type of thing. And I know they change their decorations pretty much every season and holidays and things of that nature. But every time I've gone into the store, it struck me as something that has that rustic, you know, farmhouse, country living type of thing. This time was really no different. There was an area that had their old Christmas stuff, and they did have some spring stuff out. But basically I got kind of the same feel. I want to give this store a chance because I feel like I'm going to walk in one day and find something very unique, and I'm going to be like, I got it at Kirkland's. This time I was again looking at the lamps because, as I said, lamps are going to be very important to our overall decor. So every store that has lamps in it, I'm going to stare at them and basically take stock and see what I like. So those are the 3 stores that I have done my most recent preliminary surveillance at. There are so many more stores in my area that I do have to go to. I do like to go shopping and actually purchase things with my husband because I do like to get his opinion. I know some men aren't into that, and listen, I can only do it at certain stores at certain times. He's not a big shopper. He's not really into it. But then when I bring something home and he has an opinion, I'm like, well, you should have put him in. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. But anyway, so I probably will do 1 or 2 more surveillance visits, and then I'll start digging into where we're going to start getting our products. And I'm sure it's going to be more than one place. But when I do, I'll be bringing you with me shopping, and I'll be bringing home some things, and we'll be talking about where they're going to go. So if you're just joining me, I hope you stay along for the ride. If you've been here, I hope you like where this ride is going. I want to hear from you if you have any suggestions on places that I should shop for home decor, your favorite place, or anything else you want to know. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do so. Thank you if you already have, and I will see you next time.